Hey, this is Brett, Swafford Homestead. Here's the new faucet, new sink. Waterfall faucet.
Yeah.
Built the cabinet. Put some floor tile on top of it. We're checking it out, see if we really like it. I kind of like it. Got a lot more work to do. We're gonna have a space for towels and storage, whatever. There'll be a door here for the plumbing. I gotta close this end in because there's no use in having that opening.
Nope.
That'd be where the TP row goes, huh?
Yeah.
But it's built. It just needs
It works.
a lot more little stuff done, and it works. You're right.
I love it.
We can wash your hands in the bathroom again.
Yes.
Yeah, that was a good test for a day or two there when I had to take the sink out and build all this and then go through the process of sealing this thing off. We didn't have a sink for a day or two.
Had to go to the kitchen to wash your hands.
Go back to the scouting days when you brushed your teeth, and it was fun anyway. But we're a little closer.
Yeah.
Surrounded by rock. This right here is going to be wrapped with rock all the way around to the opening. It'll be all the way around the opening, but I guess we'll have to make a final video when we get all of it together.
When it's all done.
But you can see we've made a great start on it.
Oh yeah.
Miss Cindy's happy with it, so that's what counts.
That's right.
Y'all have a good day. Well, this is what it looks like now. Been a day or two since I made that video. A few days. Now the dogs are barking. Let me shut the door. But you can see I got my border all the way around. Got the TP holder in the corner. Haven't built the door yet. I got my shelves. Got the rock on it. Towel holder. Got the wall closed in here. Been working on the sink. It don't drain as good as I wanted it to. No, it don't drain completely, but we're working on that. We're lining the bottom a little at a time. And the other thing we added was the towel rack. Yeah, that's the grandson's. But things is improving. We're slowly but surely getting it. I still left the floor. We still got the rock board. We came up with another paint scheme. We got the plug and switch covers painted. I thought they looked pretty good in the rock color. Found that paint at Walmart. It's actually paint for like lawn furniture. We thought it went really good with this. But we're a little further along. I still got more work to do. Miss Cindy's being patient with me. I told her a little at a time we'll get it knocked out. Y'all have a good day.